How to know if your business is ready for Facebook and Instagram ads. Hi, I'm Jenny of Ads Uncorked. I earned my clients over $6 million with Facebook and Instagram ads last year, and I'm here to show you how you can do the same for your business. I really want to make sure that you have email marketing set up in your business. Now, this doesn't have to be crazy. You don't have to be contacting people all the time, but I need to know that if someone abandons a product on your website, so if they add to cart and don't finish, that you're going to reach them with a follow-up email that they abandoned cart, hey, reminder to purchase this product. Or let's talk about our service providers. If you have some kind of freebie opt-in or something that you're using to get people on your email list, if they're going ahead, opting in, I want to make sure that you at least are nurturing them a little bit via email. You've got a sequence set up, maybe it needs to be fine-tuned and tweaked, that's okay. But if you're at least staying top of mind to these people, we have a great chance at doing some retargeting and having that being really successful in your ads.